I was searching on eBay earlier for another VW Golf to buy and happened across this car that is damaged unrecorded. So in the UK there's a category system for crashed cars that is either S or N, and if a car meets those, then it has a marker left against it, so that when future owners buy the car they will know that it's been in an accident. So this car is listed as unrecorded, so somebody could buy this, fix it up and sell it on, and the buyer would have no knowledge. From one side the car looks fine, it's only on the other side that it's damaged, and also when you look inside you can see the airbags have been set off as well. A lot of people might be wary of buying a car that's got a category marker on it, but potentially looking at this car, that could be an irrational reason, because you may buy a car that's been crashed and you've got no information to know that that's happened, and at least a category marker you will know that it's been done, and hopefully you'll have some photos showing what the damage was to be able to see. Having found this one car, I thought it would be interesting to see how many others are advertised on eBay, so I did a quick search in the cars category for damaged unrecorded, and there are over 20 currently listed. So there are quite a few cars out there, and that's only on eBay. It's quite surprising how damaged some of those are and could be put back on the road. You see the way the structural integrity of some of these cars potentially is damaged. It's not a good thing to have them on the road by somebody that may not have paid proper attention to repairing it correctly. It also means the prospective buyer could be buying a car that has had some really serious damage and has no knowledge that that has happened, and it might be a very unsafe car for them to drive. What are your thoughts? Have you bought a car like this and found out afterwards, or do you think it's perfectly okay for cars to be repaired and go back on the road without anyone knowing?